Welcome to CryptoCoins, where we review the best coins for you. Oh, hello there. My name is Freddie Colton. Welcome back to CryptoCoins. Today we're going to be talking about a project that I thought looked really fun, but also seemed to have a very positive message. And that is going to be Turtle Island NFT. Now, as I mentioned, this project, it has really good messages and good meanings behind it. It is positive towards indigenous people and wants to use the platform that they have to actually help others. So we'll kind of get into that. By the way, this little lady right here is a little foster kitten I have, so she is my co-host for today. But today we will enter to this world to participate in adventurous tasks that will create magical moments, teach you about the importance of indigenous culture, and positively impact the environment. So you have the NFT collection, the tortoise tasks, the thunder totems, and the Discord. We will go through all of those, of course. Lifting our people up, 50% of all NFT profits will be donated toward 3 indigenous programs, organizations and charities that are fighting for clean drinking water on reserves, assistance with missing and murdered indigenous women, self-governance of First Nations, indigenous youth, and support for those affected by the trauma of residential residential schools. Pardon me, little lady distracted me, had to put her down. And then you've got Water First, Inspire, and then the Residential School Survivor Society. And I think that those are extremely important. As you know, I'm a big fan of any sort of project that wants to help others, that sort of wants to use their platform to give back in some way. So I just kind of wanted to mention that part of this as well. Now, this is actually their NFT collection, so the exposures, Kala Salish Art, collection of 10,000, Discord Live, 30th of May, 22. Mint is June 30th, 2022, presale 1.5 Sol. Blockchain is Solana, of course, which it is Solana summer, as you guys know. Check me out talking about that on, CryptoCoins Gaming. And gives you a little bit more of the info on the team as well. So the roadmap, we've got you waiting for, or what you're waiting for. Click on the roadmap button labeled Honeypot to review plans and utility. Art is epic and legitimately indigenous. Aesthetic will remind you of all the favorite trading cards, ambiance of warriors, and stories that will invoke feelings of nostalgia. Let's just say that we are taking a different approach to the whole NFT thing. If you want to explore the stories behind symbols that will be featured on NFTs, please scroll down to read about them below. While we have a lot more planned on the roadmap, we won't be releasing too many details on the storyline, design, perks, or future projects till much closer to launch date. And so you can actually check out more about these totems and these animals right here. So I'm not going to go through all of their stories, but I definitely recommend this being something you come check out. And by the way, to be clear, as I should always say before at the beginning of each video, this is not financial advice. I am in no way a financial advisor, purely just a crypto geek who loves to talk about this kind of thing. So definitely come and do your own research as a part of any investment that you make, especially when we're talking about these kind of things. So with that being said, do want to continue on, but I should have said that at the beginning, and that is for you right there. Because again, remember, I'm reviewing these objectively. I like these projects, don't get me wrong, I invest in some of them, but just because I make an investment does not make that the right one for you. But we are going to continue. So the tortoise tasks, ageless, affordable, fun, and often nature-based. We offer challenging and exciting quests to those brave enough to try. By completing tasks, you'll be entered for a chance to go on the annual vacation with your friends, lovers, or family. The experience is self-paced, aimed to help the environment, better society, and educate people on indigenous culture. Indigenous culture and issues surrounding them. They are meant for a variety of people, mixed tastes, and abilities. One of the most fascinating things about doing this on the internet is that we can include people from not only Canada, their home base, but all over the world, which I think is great. Now you can check out the membership, completing the waiver, and the tortoise tasks as well. This year is sending you to a world-renowned spa, as you can see. Different promos, a lot of other stuff going on here. So again, these are all part of the main website, which is turtleislandnft.squarespace.com. They're working on the domain at the moment, so just check out any links that I attach below. Now, you can of course get in contact with the team as well as their direct Gmail. about. So, excuse me. So, proper explanation, Turtle. Turtle Island is the recreation of something that already exists. The continent of North America was originally called Turtle Island. Our goal is to travel back in time to capture the purity, life, joy, and excitement First Nations and Indigenous people enjoyed prior to things getting complicated. They want a mix of respect for nature and what it means to be a part of the ancestry and origins of our modern-day reality. Turtle Island is helping build a connective kinship with all extensive past of our families to those in a variety of diverse and intriguing communities. Their network will be bonded globally through art, participation in tasks, and supporting each other to build a better future for Indigenous people. So what are we doing? Bringing people to life through adventure with the Tortoise tasks, where people can learn about Indigenous culture, sending one lucky group on the trip, launching the NFT collection we discussed, and donating 50% of the profits from the sale, Turtle Island NFT collection, towards 3 Indigenous programs, which we read about earlier. You can, of course, go check those out. So here they'll be donating to Inspire, Water First, and Indian Residential School Survivor Society, which is so cool. You can check out more, want to know about this, so let the Forbes and CNN Business break it down for you, which is super cool that they have. Now, this is just discussing the environment of the project, but this is going to be running too long if I read through everything, so I'm actually going to jump through a couple of things, i.e. the social media real quick, so we can see what's going on here on the social media. I'm just over here on the announcement part, but they're doing really well on Discord. I highly recommend you come check this out on Discord. And they have a total of 4,000 plus members with 68 online right now, and it's actually very active, to be honest with you. And also, it's actually a later time where I'm at, like where it would be in the States or Canada, which is where they mentioned they're mainly based. So it would be a slower time, to be honest, on Discord. So, but that being said, I think that this is really cool. I just wanted to kind of go over the Discord, all the other social medias as well, but I highly recommend in any project, you check out the announcements, the official link, their roadmap they're going to give you, anything on the Discord. That, to me, is one of the most important social media about any business. Now, the Turtle Island NFT, so you can see them over here on Twitter. Epic coast-stylish creatures taking you on a journey that includes vacations, IRL scavenger hunt adventures, tortoise tasks, and exploration of Indigenous culture. We can see they're doing a real well on TikTok, actually. They're doing some great work, so I highly recommend, look at this. I highly recommend checking out their TikTok if you're someone who just likes scenery stuff. So definitely get into that if you're interested. They're doing well. They've got some good videos here on Instagram as well. You can see some funnier stuff, some just interesting stuff, man. They're really it's a cool company, it seems like, in my opinion. And again, purely my opinion. Now, this is a little white paper thing with kind of some news articles, a little more info about this project. You can actually find this on their linked tree. So this is the Lookout article. So check out everything you need to on their linked tree as well. They've also got the Daily Hive. They've been on the Daily Hive. Got a good article on there as well. They have attached. This is the article, the other article as I mentioned. And the Thunder Totems, now we clicked through for the full description, but these are the totems that are to be the different animals. So I kind of went in a little bit of a different direction, but here's the Thunder Totem thing. So Thunder Totems will be unlocked after the Turtle Island NFT collection is sold on or soon after. So, like, they're not exactly the animal things. They're all related, excuse me. I sort of misspoke on that, but we'll read through this. And this is kind of where we're going to wrap things up today. So, we unlocked after the Turtle Island NFT collection is sold on or soon after 5th of July, 2022. Having a Thunder Totem also gets you White Wolf status, access to the pre-sale at price of 1 Solana. How to earn Thunder Totem. Earn points within Turtle NFT's Discord. Top 95 point holders will have a Thunder Totem assigned to their username. Receive a confirmation number, which that's actually really cool. Much more interesting than most NFT projects because clearly they want the engagement. They're willing to reward you for an engagement. Which Thunder Totems contain what will be randomly selected on video the day they are unlocked with help from a member of the Owl Parliament. You can learn how to earn points here. Invite friends. Dedicate a social media post to Turtle Island. Friends can join Turtle NFT Discord, so invite people. Again, get them retweet Turtle Island posts and complete a tortoise task as well, so you can go through and read all the points that those give you. Not that I'm going to go through that at the moment, just for the levity of things, to go ahead and wrap up here since we're running long. And the tips, post in the Thunder Totem chat, monitor announcements, check out the tortoise tasks, don't lose your confirmation number. There are an extra 100 White Wolf status spots, so even if you miss out on a Thunder Totem, you have access to pre-sale at price of 1 Solana. 5 times wild card Thunder Totems will be randomly awarded to a White Wolf or Deep Sea Dweller who purchased an NFT on the 1st of July. And this year's all-expense-paid vacation is to Mara Resort, excuse me if I pronounce that completely wrong, and spa in supernatural British Columbia. You will wake up to an ocean view, devour endless tapas in a treehouse. Oh, I wish. Soak in the mineral pool and enjoy luxury spa treatments with 3 other friends, lovers, or family. Well, my friends, I think I need to go find myself some tapas, because that made me very hungry. But seriously, thank you always for coming by. Today I discussed Turtle Island NFT, a cool project, one that I'm very interested to follow up on. And as always, thank you for coming by, CryptoCoins. I'll see you in the next episode.